Hi everyone, you join us today for another little walk around another little village here in England. We're at a place called Smalley today. So we've parked in the cricket club car park in the recreational ground. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. So we're gonna do an adventure lab that's in this area and a few geocaches. Hopefully, and we'll find them all hopefully. So yeah, come along with us guys and I hope you enjoy it. If you do enjoy this walk, I will be showing the map and how to find it on OS Maps at the end of the video. Hi everyone. So yeah, you join us today. I'm going to go and find a couple of geocaches in Ad Lab, hopefully without any problems. We're in a place called Smalley. Like I just mentioned, it's absolutely gorgeous here. It's a brilliant summer's day. Brilliant weather. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it everyone. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe to the channel. That'd be absolutely awesome. I'll crack on. Geocache found. Yay. The Bellin was originally a butcher's. Its own slaughterhouse at the back. An interesting war memorial. It's actually in the primary school, on the entrance to the primary school here in Smalley. An old house there from 1903, the Smalley Institute. Quite interesting. Hi folks, I've done a separate upload of this church, St John's the Baptist, here in Smalley. It's got a fascinating churchyard, so please check that out separately. So this is the girls' school here, which is now a preschool. Oh, I've definitely lost them. Shall? I think they went this way. It's nice and cool down here, guys. I'll tell you, it's a really hot summer's day today. It's very humid. I've got no idea where I'm going here. Just that we're walking through the woods. Oh, found a little bridge. Wow, cool. We're in the tunnel. Hey? Get off me. Okay. We're on top of a bridge, we found a geocache. It was quite cool and interesting. Right folks, so now we're walking through this beautiful field. This is where you need smell-o-vision because it smells absolutely beautiful down here. The house is amazing. I love that, the extension to that house. Beautiful. Is that the way through? It's not very clear, is it? Hey? Oh, that's good. Much better. Much better, Jasmine. Isn't it? Okay, now we're coming up to a dam. Dam. Small dam. But a dam nonetheless. Come on, Jazz. Oh. That was not supposed to happen. Right. We've also got an adventure lab here. I think it might be on the bridge. Shall I? Yeah, I don't think it's here. So this is a very small dam. Here, we'll try and get to the top of it and I'll do some video footage from the top. As you can see, it's a very small dam here in Smalley. Small dam in Smalley. Okay, so this is Smalley Dam. The Radfords had Smalley Dam built in 1790 in order to create this pond. Initially for fish, for recreation, it did see other uses. The Baptists used to perform their baptisms here, and at the end of the 19th century, when the dam was drained for some work, a load of parts ripped from mechanical spinning machines were found dumped in the dam wall, over the dam wall, the result of industrial disruption. That's a beautiful little grey horse. You don't see many grey horses. Alright, so that's one field crossed, and now we're back onto the path where that bridge was from earlier, and now we're heading through this little bit where this stream is, although it's dried up at the moment, guys and girls. A lot of you see it's completely dried up. Then we're going to be heading across the next field. That's the first impressive tree as we're walking past it. There's a couple of them actually. Okay, so we've making our way back up this lane. It's nice to get the shade because when we pulled up it was 25 degrees. This is really warm today. And we found all the geocaches we wanted to find so far. So it's been quite a successful ramble. Absolutely beautiful, massive property. That's the circular completed, and now we're back round at the cricket ground. The Wilmot Sitwell family of Stainsbury House are very keen on cricket, and the Stainsbury Hall Cricket Club was first established in 1863. Initially the cricket pitch was on the grounds of the hall, and there was a prize for any batsman that could hit a six and break one of the windows at the hall. The family were also the patrons of Smalley Church, which meant that they had the right to choose the vicar, and it is no coincidence that vicars of this period all happened to be good batsmen. Hi everyone, so as promised I'm just showing you the route before I go to the final section of the upload, and you can see we're not far from Ripley in the small village of Smalley, and you can see the route we took from the car park around to where the dam is, and then through the fields and then back up to the cricket club. Very nice pleasant walk, around 2.7 miles, and you can see I have listed it on OS Maps. If you want to look for it, you will find it. So thank you very much, and just I'll leave you with this last bit. I'll show you the cricket ground for one last time from this angle. Beautiful little place. So yeah, highly recommend this walk. definitely recommend it with family anyway. If you've got kids and you want to take them for a walk, or if you want to do some cool geocaches, definitely recommend it. We've had total success. We've found everyone. So yeah, and after our last fun adventure, we found 38 on our last one. We've done pretty well today as well. I'm not quite sure the number, might be something like 15 I think we've done today. So yeah, been really successful. So thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. This walk around this lovely countryside village, and we'll see you again soon with some more. Bye. Please subscribe for more videos and check out the above playlist. Thank you.